I could really use some hot sauce.
Dude, I know the perfect place for hot sauce.
Where?
It's kind of sketchy to get to. If you really want some good hot sauce, trust me, this place is where it's at.
Well,
I can't really tell you exactly where it is.
how would we get it?
That's the thing. There shouldn't be anyone there tomorrow, but we're going to have to break in. But trust me, no one will get hurt. I mean, we just get in, get out quick, grab the hot sauce. Okay.
I don't know, man.
Come on. If you said you want a good hot sauce.
I really do want some hot sauce. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
I think there's anybody here. Shit, dude. I swear I didn't know. I think there's a door over there. Check it out.
Go on without me.
Oh my God. I'm sorry. No.
We've had to leave him in there. These are for you. We did this together.